Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. I'm doing a second video today only because I came about some news, some pretty big news on a company I did a video about not long ago, and I told you guys to keep your eyes on it. The tailwinds are pushing it back up. Since then, it made a little run. It is down 7 cents today, but it's been creeping up again. And I'm talking about Didi Global. So it's trading at $3.50, 7 cents down. The 52-week high is $5.05. The 52-week low is only 28 cents. So what happened? First, let me say this. More chip restrictions by the US Department to suppress China's AI rise capability. So the US Department is, and Nvidia, and I forget another company, their stock price took a hit when this news came out recently. I think it came out yesterday. Rightfully so, because they depend on exporting a lot of their chips to China, the largest market in the world. And I don't see why they're doing this, because they're trying to curb China AI development and development on a hold. But we saw how that worked out with Huawei. They restricted chips going to Huawei, but yet Huawei came up with their own chips and now revealed a phone that's better than the Apple. So why hurt our American companies from making money? You know, this whole common prosperity initiative that Xi Jinping has encouraged and pushed for, I think it's a better business model. That's just my take, where both parties can make money, where all parties are successful. Anyway, Didi Autonomous Driving Freight Division. This is their freight division. Remember I told you guys they're into a lot of different things, autonomous driving, chauffeur service, a whole lot of stuff. You can look at my past video if you haven't seen it on that. So the Autonomous Driving Freight Division, CargoBot, has become an independent company in a bid to be more flexible. So it's a branch off where they can raise money. CargoBot has become independently operated company and received an investment of over $61.5 million thus far from investors, including Chinese conglomerate Erdos Group. Local media outlet 36KR reported today. So it's really good, guys, to try to look at local Chinese news stations, and you can get a lot of really good news of what's going on over there that will help you to stay informed, and that's how you can invest. Same thing with NEO. If you're not informed, you will panic and sell and you will not make money. The independent operation is to allow CargoBot to develop more flexibility, raise funds separately, advance external partnerships, and accelerate commercialization. So they're trying to get these autonomous driving trucks, truck and trailers, commercialized as quickly as possible. The report said, citing a person familiar with the matter. So don't be surprised, guys, if in the near future they have autonomous trucking in China. Remember, China is leading the way in a lot of these industries, in the EV, in the green energy sector, in solar, etc., etc. An hour after the 36K report was published, another local media outlet, Kalian, cited a response from CargoBot saying the report was true. CargoBot has been upgraded from Didi's self-driving business to a startup to accelerate the scaling of self-driving solutions in the truck logistics sector, the company told Kalian. It's C-A-I-L-I-A-N, so I hope I'm pronouncing that right. After the independent operation, the majority shareholder remains Didi Autonomous Driving. So Didi will continue to hold the majority shares. According to 36KR, the CargoBot project began in 2021 and began loading mass-produced L4 autonomous trucks in October 10 of this year. So the report noted. So this is to give you guys an example of when I talk about NEO in terms of years. This started in 2010. We're in 2023, guys. So always look at a company of what they're doing and reassess them on a yearly basis. After 5 years, like Warren Buffett said, you look to see what they're doing again. If they continue to expand and grow, you hold or you buy more. CargoBot currently has a total of 150 autonomous heavy-duty trucks, mainly transporting coal and other commodities in Northwest and North China. So in these remote areas, they're already using them. Didi began autonomous driving research and development in 2016. In August 2019, Didi upgraded its autonomous driving division to an independent company. On October 12th, GAC said it plans to invest up to $149 million along with a local company in Didi's autonomous vehicle subsidiary, Voyager Group Incorporated. I hope you guys are listening to this. Let me say that again. On October the 12th, GAC, which is a monster in China, said it plans to invest up to $149 million along with a local company in Didi's autonomous vehicle subsidiary. See, this is some of the reasons why I told you guys I like Didi. I like what they're doing. I like their business model. I like the CEO. Do your own research, guys. And when others are panicking and the stock was dropping, I kept buying. My average was at like $14 at one point. I brought my average down a lot on them. In fact, it was $16. I brought my average down. I hope you guys found this video informational and inspirational for those of you Didi shareholders. If you did, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It'll help encourage me to keep doing videos like this for you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel we get rich or we die trying.